Morning students. In further study, we already studied the solution of differential equation, and now we'll have we did one example 15. It was a very big example, big solution it had. Now example 16 I am telling you. Question says x cos y by x dy by dx is equal to y cos of y by x plus x. Solve. We also wanted to show this. It is a differential equation. First of all, you guys do take a dy by dx separate. Y cos y by x plus x upon x cos y by x. And how we can show the term? You remember? Take x equal to xt, y equal to yt. This is yt, xt, 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 yt, xt. So these two will cancel. This is yt, xt and xt. T will come out, t to the power 0 will be there, and same term will be remaining. It is a homogeneous one. So it is a very so-called thing. Put x equal to xt and y equal to yt. Make turn to the situation t to the power 0 into same function. It will be homogeneous, but that is not my main purpose to tell you. Now, how we can solve? Look at the thing, student. It is y by x is appearing, and I taught you whenever y by x is appearing, well, you don't need to do any special thing. You only take y by x equal to v, and it means none else but y equal to vx. And now do differentiation. dy by dx is equal to v. Differential by x is 1. First function differential by x is 1. Second function and differentiation of v is dy by dx. Now put up all the things here. You will have, instead of dy by dx, you will write v plus x dv by dx is equal to y is equal to vx cos of y by x is equal to v plus x upon x cos of v. This is v. Now take out x common and cancel with x. So what remains only? V plus x dv by dx is equal to v cos v plus 1 upon this x cancel, cos will remain here. Now it turn in a variable separable concept. How it is so? dv by dx is equal to v cos of v plus 1 cos v minus v. Now x dv by dx is equal to, take an LCM, v cos of v plus 1 minus v cos v minus, so took LCM here, v cos v and upon cos v. These two cancel, which is a very good thing for us. So we have x dv by dx is equal to 1 by cos v. And one should remember that now we can do variable separable that term. Cos v will go that side only. Cos v dv equal to dx by x. Cos v have integration sin v. This is log x plus c. And put us v is equal to y by x log x plus c. This is answer. So it was easiest one as you compare the last one. That was very big question, but this is a small one. But you should know that the method is very important, student. So whenever y by x will be coming, you take y by x equal to v and go on. The question will be easy. Okay. Now we can see more examples of the book. See the question 17 one. Look at it. 2y e to the power x by y dx plus y minus 2x e to the power x upon y dy is equal to 0 and x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. I just want to pull your attention towards the given values x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Whenever this kind of value will be given, you are told particular solution, meaning lastly you have to find the value of constant term. But this is a last work. First you have to solve. So how we can solve this problem? Look at, I tell you one thing. You don't worry about. First write the question and I already have taught you make dy by dx separate. Then think. This term I just want to transfer. Any one term you can transfer. Suppose I am transferring this term there. 2y to the power x by y dx is equal to, this term will transfer their side, 2x e to the power x by y minus y. Look at it. This will sign. This will change the sign. It is a positive. It is a negative dy. Now make our dy by dx term. So dy upon dx will be 2y to the power x upon y upon 2x e to the power x upon y minus y. This has come. Now the thing which I want to tell you, that this is a dy by, this is a x by y. Whenever x by y is appearing in the question, you make dx by dy, not dy by dx. So you don't bother, you can turn to that dy by dx just by doing the reciprocal. It has been dx by dy. So this is going to be 2x e to the power x by y minus y upon 2y to the power x upon y. You have done the reciprocal. Why I did so? Because it is x by y was coming. And this indicates whenever x by y or y by x is coming, you can solve this by the method of differential equation, homogeneous differential equation. And x by y meaning you have to create dx by dy. We have done it. Now we do, by doing so, save, put x by y is equal to v. X equal to v by. Now do differentiation with respect to y. Dx by dy. First function v. Differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. Plus second function y. Differentiation of v with respect to y is dv by dy. And then by 1. By 1. Students, this whole dx by dy will be v plus y dv by dy is equal to this 2. Let me tell you the short trick. This x will eliminate afterward. This x by y is gonna be, okay, I'm writing whole, don't worry about it. 2x, x is equal to vy e to the power v minus y upon 2y and e to the power v. This situation has come. So okay, v plus x dv by dy equal to, y will take out common, 2v e to the power v is there, minus 1, 2 e to the power v, all y is cancelled. Now what I do? X dv by dy is equal to 2v e to the power v minus 1 upon 2 e to the power v minus v. Take an LCM. X dv by dy is equal to 2v e to the power v minus 1. Do transfer here. 2, meaning I took LCM. 2v e to the power v upon 2 e to the power v. So these two fortunately cancel, and remaining is x dv by dy is equal to minus 1 2 e to the power v. Now I do variable separable, as you know it. I do transfer 2 e to the power v along with dv, and this is the term. It was y, it was y, it was y, it was y, and now okay. Now dy by y, dy upon y, I did variable separable. 2 is a constant term, come out, e to the power v, have integration same. This is a log y plus c, and put the value of v, which is x by y minus log y. I do transfer here, it's going to be plus log y is equal to c. This is not your answer. This is only the form of C, general solution. But you remember that initially we were given x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Put there. So put, afterward I am telling you, after that I am telling you, put x is equal to 0 and y equal to 1. What will have? 2 e to the power 0 upon 1 meaning 0, meaning 2, plus log of y meaning 1, log 1 is 0, equal to c. So c is equal to what? 2. And then particular solution is, why particular solution? Because whenever the value of x and y are given, meaning you are told to find the value of c, and it means that particular solution you need to find out. So put c is equal to there 2 e to the power x upon y plus log of y equal to c is equal to 2. That is the final answer of the question. So hope you got. This is the important thing, that whenever the value of x and y are given, it means that you are told to find the particular solution. Okay, students, now we'll have some more examples. Let me see the time. Okay. 17th one we have done. 18th one I am telling you now. Example number 18. Look at, student, I am telling you all the examples, but just want from my side that you will do the question of the exercise, because all questions are very similar. It, just ask, and it makes only a little hard work from your side. I think you can go with this. Question number 18 says, show that the family of curve for which the slope of tangent at any point xy is, look at, slope of tangent at any point xy is, it's given, is x squared plus y squared upon 2xy. Show that the equation, show that the family of curves for which the slope of tangent at any point xy is, this one, is given by x squared minus y squared equal to, equation of curve is given by x squared minus y squared equal to cx. This is the question. You don't worry about this question. The language is a bit changed, but I tell you one thing. This is a slope of tangent. Suppose it is curved, and this is the point xy, and this point of contact, and this is tangent. And question says slope of tangent at xy. And you remember, in application of derivative, first part, chapter number 6, exercise 4th, I think, 4th or 3rd exercise, 6.3, in which we saw that slope of any tangent at any xy point is dy by dx. So this is none else but it is dy by dx. Slope of tangent at xy is called dy by dx, is given. And we have to show that equation of that family of curve is this one. So this is the solution. This is the equation of curve we can find by differential equation. So okay, we take here the concept, take or given dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square upon 2xy. You don't worry about that dy by dx, because dy by dx is a slope of tangent at xy, any point xy. So this is directly given. So okay, the students, now we can go with this. This is a so-called homogeneous equation, because x square y square power 2, xy power 2. So we put y is equal to vx. So dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. What done? I did differentiation with respect to x, and then instead of dy by dx I will go with v plus x dv by dx. Instead of x is x, this y is equal to vx upon 2 x, y is equal to vx. Now this is v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square, will take common. So directly I want to write, you know it, x square cancel, 1 plus v square upon 2v is there. Now x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square upon 2v minus v is there. X dv by dx is equal to, take an LCM, this is gonna be v square upon 2v. This is 2v square. Now combine with 1 minus v square 2v. X dv by dx, to the variable separable. 2v transfer 1 minus v square dv equal to dx by x. How to integrate that term? It's very easy, and one of the easiest things is coming. It's power 2 and it's a 2v, power 1. So I'll take this equal to t. Let 1 minus v square equal to t. It's a method of integration. Minus 2v dv equal to dt. So 2v dv equal to minus dt. So minus dt upon t is there, equal to 1 by x dx. What about that? Minus log t equal to log of x plus c. This has come. What I'll do now? I need this answer. I just want to write that c is a log c. Why? Because all the term except term are log. So okay, we write it log. Now what I'll do, put your t is equal to, what t was 1 minus v square is equal to log x plus log c. What I'll do now, look at, first of all I put here 1 minus, instead of v is of y square upon x square is equal to log x plus log c. You know that still we have a cross long journey. We want to rub all the things because we have reaching the answer. We already have this answer. We are having this particular term. We want this answer, x square minus y square equal to cx. We have to modify. How we can do this? Look at it. I tell you. Minus log, take an LCM. It is x square minus y square upon x square equal to log of x plus log of c. First of all, I want to write these two terms. Log m plus log n is log mn. You know, log m plus log n is log mn. This minus I want to remove. So I want to remove that minus sign as in power. This is a front sign. I want to transfer that in power. It's going to be minus 1. You know, m log n equal to log n to the power m. So why I did so? Because both log, I want to eliminate or I want to remove both logs or compare. So we'll have x square upon x square minus y square. This is a power minus 1. I reciprocal it, and this is xc. Both log I have eliminated. And after, what can we do? What can be done? I remove the mod sign, so I would have x square upon x square minus y square equal to plus minus cx. You can understand it's a plus minus used there because I remove the mod. Plus minus c can be written another word, a constant like c1. Like that it has come. Now this 1x will cancel to this. So we have x equal to c1 x square minus y square. I do transfer. C1 can be transferred upon C2 equal to x square minus y square, and 1 by C2 can be written another constant xc3. So xc3 will be there, x square minus y square. This is the answer, same as which is coming here. It is a C was there. I wrote C3. No matter at all, constant can be given by any symbol. So this is the way. So student, all kind of question already have taught. So it's your job to do 9.5 exercise totally. Still any problem, you are free to ask me. I will give the solution, PDF of solution by my WhatsApp to you, and definitely those problems you are having, you can send me at my personal WhatsApp number. I will send you the solution also. So tomorrow, since tomorrow we'll see 9.6 exercise. So only one concept is remaining. It's totally depend on your practice. So it's very simple chapter. Okay, so now I just want to speak something that 5 of November, it's your pre-board first. It should be in December, but okay, it's in November. We have to accept the thing. All chapters will be coming, but we have till now done 9 chapters. So okay, prepare for 9 chapters only, but I won't change any question. It will be same. You don't worry about, within a month we'll have a complete syllabus. Thank you.